Hello, I got some new stuff from Quadratec today for the TJ. I bought the Energy Suspension Body Mount Kit. It's for all the body mounts, so that'll be a little project. And I also bought an end cap for the rear bumper because I never realized I was missing one. I've had it for like 2 months and didn't realize that one was gone. But I'm not going to replace that until I redo the bumpers. And I also bought a new rear view mirror because mine was very distorted. This is the old one. I already put it in. You can see the distortions in there. And it drove me nuts because it made it hard to see. So I have the new one in. And it looks really, really nice. It's the Omix, O-M-I-X, made in the USA. So here's the new one. It looks very nice. Much easier to see out of. Another thing I had to do, yesterday I was polishing and the footman loop broke off in my hand. So I ordered one already from Quadratec, the stainless steel one in black finish, but it's steel, and obviously that one was plastic. So I know, I was like, oh my goodness, there we go, another project. And I also bought the Speedo gear I'm gonna need to, this is a 33 spline, so that'll be a little project to do. And the other thing I did this morning was repaint my hinges. At first I was gonna just buy new ones. They looked really bad, and I'll insert some pictures of how bad they looked. But then I realized they were $75 each, and I decided I didn't want to spend that right now because they work perfectly fine. So I just decided to paint them, and I bought some primer this morning and painted it, sanded them with different grits of sandpaper to get it smooth or pretty darn smooth. And then I primered them and painted them, and I'll show you how I taped all that off. Another thing that's happening this week, on Tuesday, I should be getting a new door. I ordered a set of doors off of eBay, and they came from a 2004 PSB paint coat donor vehicle and from a seller that I've dealt with before, and they're very reputable. So hopefully they send them freight on a pallet, so I will be picking it up at the FedEx in Sparks, and hopefully it's easy. I'm going to change the lock cylinder, so I'm going to put my lock cylinder in the new door, and hopefully the new door has better looking handles, because these are going to be another paint project. Again, when things actually break and don't function, I'll replace them, but until then, I think I'm just going to paint them. And then I'll have to do the pinstripe, because I do like the pinstripe on here. It gives it a little pizzazz to an otherwise boring silver Jeep. So I found the sizes I need on Amazon, so I'll get those ordered, so when the door gets here, I can also put the pinstripe on. And I think that's it for right now. Other than that, I've really been enjoying driving this Jeep. I don't know, it's just really fun to drive. So the next big project will be the frame. I'm gonna vacuum out the frame, and we bought a bore scope camera that I'm gonna put down in there. I think this frame is pretty dang good, but I'm waiting for the lift. So the lift got the electrical this week, and the lift installer needs to come back and finish a few things, and it'll be ready to go, and I can put this little puppy on a lift and make it much easier to do those things that are low. Anyways, that's it for now, guys. Talk to you soon.